If you make an insane $1 million per year, it would take Jeff Bezos, 13 minutes and 21 seconds. Bill Gates, 34 minutes and 55 seconds. Warren Buffett, 62 minutes and 29 seconds. Mark Zuckerberg, 130 minutes and 54 seconds. To make that, think about it for a second, and welcome to Glory Investing Show. Hi guys, welcome to family. If you are not subscribed yet, you should probably do it now. You will learn a lot about personal finance, stock market, and dividend investing on this channel. Before I tell you which 3 stocks I choose for today's episode, let me show you this so you can understand why dividend investing will make you rich more than any other investments in the world that we live right now. If we double a penny every day for 30 days in a row starting with 1 penny, this is what will happen. Now imagine if that penny was $1. Now you should smash the like button because it took me some time to do the math here. Today we will choose Caterpillar, Illinois Tool Works, and 3M. Ticker symbol CAT. Industry, farm and heavy construction machinery. Market cap, $73 billion. Price, $119.34. 5-year performance, up 52%. Dividend yield, 3.07%. Annual payout, $4.12. Dividend growth, 3 years. We need approximately 1,000 shares of CAT to generate annually income of approximately $4,100. Ticker symbol ITW. Industry, specialty industrial machinery. Market cap, $284 billion. Price, $162.81. 5-year performance, up 88.57%. Dividend yield, 2.40%. Annual payout, $4.28. Dividend growth, 44 years. We need approximately 980 shares of ITW to generate annually income of approximately $4,190. Ticker symbol 3M. Industry, specialty industrial machinery. Market cap, $94 billion. Price, $152.37. 5-year performance, up 5%. Dividend yield, 3.53%. Annual payout, $5.88. Dividend growth, 61 years. We need approximately 700 shares of 3M to generate annually income of approximately $4,100. These free stocks will give you passive income every month in next order. January, ITW. February, CAT. March, 3M. April, ITW. May, CAT. June, 3M. July, ITW. August, CAT. September, 3M. October, ITW. November, CAT. December, 3M. I hope you learned something today. If you still didn't, subscribe and smash like. Also, press that bell so you can get notified when we post new video. Save, invest, and see you soon.